Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to solve print screen not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your print screen button is not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method to fix these issues. Guys, in this I will show you 2 to 3 methods to fix this issue. The first one is you just need to open the task manager. Just right click on the start menu, then click on task manager. In this you need to find some of the apps like OneDrive, Snipping Tool or Dropbox. Like this you need to find the apps and close that one. For example, you can see if this is your OneDrive, just right click on that, click on end task. Like this you need to find some of the shared apps, then you have to close that one. After that you need to check whether your problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you need to try this one. You need to press the function plus print screen key on your keyboard. I will open the on-screen keyboard. I will show you how to press that keys. You can see your on-screen keyboard. In this, first you need to try Fn plus print screen. You need to hold Fn key and press print screen. You can see here print screen. You can try this option. If this not working, you can try Alt plus print screen. Alt plus print screen. You can try this one. If this is also not working, you can try Alt. You can try Alt plus Fn plus print screen. Alt plus Fn plus print screen. You need to hold all these 3 keys at the same time and check whether it is working or not. After trying all these options, still you are facing the issue, then you need to open device manager. Just right click on the start menu, then click on device manager. In this you need to find keyboard. You can see your keyboard. Just double click and expand. Select your keyboard driver, right click on that, click on update driver. Click on search automatically for the drivers and it will update your keyboard drivers. And close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix print screen not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix print screen not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.